Sukhasana, or easy pose, is a simple cross-legged asana in hatha yoga and means with ease. It is one of the most basic poses used in yoga practice and meditation. Therefore, sitting in Sukhasana is actually sitting any way you can with ease. Sukhasana is a seated hip opener and strengthens muscles of the back and improves body posture. It has relaxing effects on mind and body and is helpful in reducing stress. It's very common to start and end a yoga class with Sukhasana. How to do Sukhasana? Sit on a mat with legs stretched. Bend one of your legs and place it under the opposite thigh. Similarly, bend the other leg and place it under the folded leg. Sit up straight, the top of your head is reaching to the top. Place your hands on your knees or put them in your lap.